we're going to do a hip flexor stretch. A lot of people will do their hip flexor stretches without really targeting both ends of their hip flexors, which is common for many stretches. So I'm going to show you one way to do a hip flexor stretch that stretches from both ends of the muscle. So you're going to get down into a half kneeling position. I have a little towel here to make sure that my knee is protected. It just feels more comfortable that way. And then your other leg comes up to this 90-degree angle. So the first thing we have to learn how to do, which is kind of hard for some people, is a pelvic tilt. So a pelvic tilt is where you take your pelvis and you tuck it under. So if you imagine you have a tail, you're going to tuck that tail between your knees, between your legs. Or some people have an easier time thinking about it like your pelvis is a bowl of water, you want to spill that water out the back of the bowl. So that's the first step. So I'm tucking my tail, and then from there I keep that pelvic tilt. Make sure you don't lose that pelvic tilt, and then I can shift my hips forward from there. I feel a pretty good stretch there already. If you really don't feel a good stretch there, you can also add in a lean, like a trunk lean, kind of away from the side that you're stretching. So I'm going to take my arm, put it above my head, and then lean in the opposite direction. And you would hold that for 3 sets of 30 seconds to get a really effective stretch of your psoas and your iliacus, which are two of your most common hip flexor muscles.